Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So our viewers want to know how to set the time or date for this iTek SoundLogic dash cam. So first of all, you need to get familiar with the buttons on the bottom right here. Alright. The left and right arrow mode, and then OK button and menu button. Oops, right this way. And this is your power button right here on the left hand side. So every time when you plug in or turn on your car, it's automatically recording. As you can see, the red icon is blinking and it's still recording. So first of all, you want to go ahead and then hit the menu button right here next to the left arrow. And you're going to hit that one more time. And now you see the setup is highlighted. Then you're going to hit the right arrow to go down the menu. Until you see this date input. Then you're going to press OK. And this is where you could set your year by pressing the left and right arrow to go up and down. So the left arrow is to go up. So right now it's 2018. Then you press OK. You jump into the next position. You press the left arrow again. And this is to set the month, I believe. Let me go ahead and check it out. Yeah, that is the month. So right now it's August. And then you press OK again to jump into the next position. August 3rd, my bad. Friday, August 3rd. Press OK again. And this is where you set the clock or the time. I believe it's 24 hours. So yeah, it is 24 hours. So right is to go down, left is to go up. So right now it's 3 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. At 12, so it'll be 15. So 15 and you press OK. And right now it's about 3:01. And then you press OK again to confirm that. Alright, so now your time is set. Hopefully that will clear up that question for those viewers out there who want to set the time and then a date for this iTek SoundLogic dash cam. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. And then turn on that bell for notification. And drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always. Peace out. And happy Friday.